we're diving into a topic that's both critical and complex: wealth inequality in India. Let's start with a staggering fact. The top 1% of Indians hold more wealth than the bottom 70%. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a pie where a tiny slice is gobbled up by a select few, leaving crumbs for the vast majority. This isn't an exaggeration, it's the reality. To understand this better, we need to talk about the Gini coefficient. It's a number between 0 and 1 that measures income inequality. A higher Gini coefficient means more inequality. Over the years, India's Gini coefficient has been steadily climbing, signaling an increasing gap between the rich and the poor. But what does this mean for everyday people? Well, wealth concentration is becoming a serious issue. A tiny fraction of the population controls a vast majority of the country's wealth. This has far-reaching consequences, including social and economic instability. And it's not just about rich versus poor. There's a significant rural-urban divide. Wealth inequality is much more pronounced in cities compared to villages. Urban areas are like magnets, attracting wealth and leaving rural regions in the dust. Regional disparities also play a big role. Some states are much wealthier than others, creating pockets of prosperity amid a sea of poverty. This uneven distribution of wealth fuels regional tensions and hampers national growth. So, what can be done about it? Well, there are varying schools of thought. Capitalism, for instance, has its merits, but often leads to wealth hoarding by the rich. On the other hand, socialism advocates for wealth redistribution, but can stifle innovation. Then, there's progressive taxation. This is where the rich are taxed at higher rates to fund public services and reduce inequality. It's a strategy many countries have adopted with varying degrees of success. The Lorenz curve is another tool economists use to visualize wealth distribution. It shows the proportion of total income earned by different segments of the population. When the curve bends further away from the line of equality, it's a clear sign that wealth is concentrated in the hands of a few. In conclusion, tackling wealth inequality in India is no small feat. It requires a multifaceted approach, combining economic policies with social initiatives. But awareness is the first step, and that's where you come in. Stay informed, ask questions, and let's strive for a fairer and more equitable society. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.